Let's learn 30 important words and phrases in Hindi and Urdu. If you are planning to visit India or Pakistan, and if you don't speak Hindi or Urdu, then you just have to memorize these 30 phrases and you will be able to communicate with most of the people. Let's start our lesson.
Like, share, subscribe. I Factner.
So if you want to ask something from someone, or if someone is trying to sell you something, or if you want to go ahead, and in situations like this we say, excuse me brother. In Hindi and Urdu, माफ करना भाई साहब. माफ करना भाई साहब. माफ करना means excuse me, and we use maaf karna in other situations as well, like I am sorry, I apologize. So if you just say maaf karna, then it's enough. Bhai saab, bhai means brother and saab is Mr. Bhai saab is to show some respect. It's used to show that we don't want any fight, we don't want any problems. Therefore, we use Bhai Saab for respect. Bhai is brother, Saab is Mr. Maaf karna Bhai Saab. Excuse me, brother. Maaf karna Bhai Saab. So, the word is Sahab, but usually we can say Saab, Bhai Saab. I apologize, sister. If you want to say that you feel sorry or you want to apologize, then you can simply say maaf karna behan ji. Behan ji. For female we use behan ji. For male, bhai saab. Maaf karna. Sorry, apology. Please accept my apology. Behan is sister, ji is used to show respect. Maaf karna behan ji. I apologize, sister. Maaf karna behan ji. Calm down, brother. If you see that someone is offensive or they show some attitude, then you can say आराम से भाई साहब. आराम से भाई साहब. आराम से means be gentle. भाई brother, साहब Mr. आराम से भाई साहब, and it means calm down brother. आराम से भाई साहब. What happened? If someone is showing attitude, or if there is a problem, you anticipate that there is some kind of a problem, then you can simply ask, क्या हो गया है? क्या हो गया है? क्या, what? हो गया means हो गया है has happened. क्या हो गया है? What happened? क्या हो गया है? क्या हो गया है भाई साहब? क्या हो गया है बहन जी? If you want to show some respect and if you don't want to get in trouble. I don't need it. Sometimes people like to sell you something, or they offer you something, then you can simply say नहीं चाहिए. नहीं चाहिए. नहीं, not चाहिए, want. नहीं चाहिए. I don't need it. नहीं चाहिए. I want to go there. मुझे वहाँ जाना है, मुझे वहाँ जाना है, मुझे एयरपोर्ट जाना है, मुझे ट्रेन स्टेशन जाना है, मुझे बस स्टॉप जाना है, मुझे ABC मॉल जाना है. So you can simply add something in place of waha, and then it means that you want to go there. If you want to take a taxi of a rickshaw or a rickshaw, if you are at the reception of the hotel and you want to ask him about the directions, then you can simply ask कि मुझे वहाँ जाना है. मुझे आए वहाँ there, जाना go है is. मुझे वहाँ जाना है. I want to go there. मुझे वहाँ जाना है. When we take a rickshaw or a taxi on the road, then we can simply ask, will you go to the market? Will you go to the ABC mall? Will you go to the airport? Simply you can say market जाओगे, airport जाओगे, train station जाओगे, ABC hotel जाओगे. Market is market. जाओ means go. गे will. Market जाओगे. Will you go to the market? Market जाओगे. If someone asks us where are we from, कहाँ से हैं आप? And your answer can be I am from England. मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ. मैं अमेरिका से हूँ. अमेरिका इज़ फॉर अमेरिका. मैं यूरोप से हूँ. मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ. मैं इंग्लैंड इज़ इंग्लैंड से फ्रॉम हूँ एम. मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड. मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ. आई डोंट हैव मनी. If someone is selling you, or if they are asking for money, begging for money, then you can simply say पैसे नहीं हैं. पैसे नहीं हैं. पैसे money नहीं not हैं means it's plural. हैं is are. पैसे नहीं हैं. पैसे money नहीं not हैं are. I don't have money. पैसे नहीं हैं. Yes, हाँ, हाँ. If someone asks you, are you from England? क्या आप इंग्लैंड से हैं? Your answer is yes. आप टूरिस्ट हैं? Are you a tourist? आप टूरिस्ट हैं? हाँ. हाँ? Yes. हाँ. No, नहीं. नहीं. आपके पास पैसे हैं? Do you have money? नहीं. 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 नहीं चाहिए. I don't want it. नहीं. No. Don't do it. ना करो. If someone is teasing you, if they are trying to sell you something, or if they are taking a lot of pictures, then you can say ना करो. ना करो. ना करो. Don't do it. ना not करो do. ना करो. I didn't get you. समझ नहीं आई. You will find a lot of people who can speak English and who can understand English, but sometimes we can't understand the accent. Then you can say समझ नहीं आई. If you don't understand what the other person is saying, then you can say समझ नहीं आई. समझ means understand. नहीं not I got. I didn't get you. समझ नहीं आई. How much is it for? कितने का है? कितने का है? कितने means how much. का of है is. कितने का है? You can just ask कितने का है? वो कितने का है? That thing. वो. ये is this. ये कितने का है? How much is it for? कितने का है? It's expensive. महंगा है. महंगा है. Sometime if you feel that the thing is expensive or you want to bargain, then you simply say महंगा है. महंगा expensive है is. महंगा है. It's expensive. महंगा है. Make it less. कम करो. When you want to bargain, you can simply say कम करो. महंगा है. कम करो. कम is less, करो do. कम करो. Make it less. कम करो. Especially in the open markets or in the shops, you can, if you feel that they are asking a lot for a thing, then you can say महंगा है, कम करो. I don't know. नहीं पता. नहीं पता. You can say मुझे नहीं पता or simply नहीं पता. नहीं not पता, no. नहीं पता. I don't know. नहीं पता. नहीं पता. Can I take a photograph? Can I take a picture? Can I take a selfie? You can ask picture ले लूं, selfie ले लूं, वीडियो बना लूं, picture ले लूं, और it's better if we say बना लूं, ले लूं और बना लूं, because if you want to make a video with your camera, then you have to ask video बना लूं, picture बना लूं, selfie बना लूं. Can I take a photograph? Picture ले लूं और picture बना लूं. A little bit, थोड़ी थोड़ी, थोड़ी थोड़ी. If someone asks you, can you speak Hindi? Do you know how to speak Hindi? क्या आपको हिंदी बोलना आती है? हिंदी बोलते हो? You can say थोड़ी थोड़ी, थोड़ी थोड़ी, थोड़ी थोड़ी, little bit, a little bit, थोड़ी थोड़ी. Let's go. चलो, चलो, चलो. You have asked from a rickshaw driver or a taxi driver that market जाओगे? He says हाँ. Yes. You can say चलो. Or you can ask how much? कितना लोगे? How much? कितना हुआ? कितना लोगे? And if he says 500 rupees, 1000 rupees, then you can say चलो. Let's go. चलो. Or you can simply order an online cab or an Uber, Kareem, something like it. Stop. Thairo. Thairo. Stop. Thairo. Thairo is stop. I have it. मेरे पास है. If someone asks you, do you have a valid passport or a visa or something like it, you can say मेरे पास है. आपके पास वीज़ा है? मेरे पास है. मेरे पास है. I have it. मेरे पास है. Where are we? हम कहाँ हैं? If you are just strolling around or walking around, and if you think that you have forgotten your path, then you can ask हम कहाँ हैं? Or if you think that the taxi driver is taking you somewhere else, then you can ask हम कहाँ हैं? हम कहाँ हैं? हम we कहाँ, where हैं, are. हम कहाँ हैं? Where are we? हम कहाँ हैं? Do you have tea? If you want to ask, do you have this thing? Do you have coffee? Do you have breakfast? Or something like it, then you can ask tea is chai. Chai है, coffee है, चाय है, कॉफ़ी है, कुकी है, बिस्किट है, इंटरनेट है, टीवी है. You are asking टीवी है, चाय है, चाय is tea, है is. Do you have tea? चाय है. How much? कितने हुए, कितने हुए, कितने how हुए much, कितने हुए, how much, कितने हुए. Thank you, शुक्रिया, शुक्रिया, or you can say धन्यवाद. शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. Thank you, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद. Okay is ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. If you ask कितने हुए, he says 100 रुपए, 100 rupees. You can say ठीक है, ठीक है, शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद, ठीक है. Leave me, leave it if someone is following you or they are trying to sell you something, or in different situations you can just say छोड़ो, छोड़ो, छोड़ो. छोड़ो is leave, leave me, leave it, or something like it. छोड़ो, छोड़ो. Don't come near me. पास ना आओ, पास ना आओ. पास is near, ना is not, आओ come. पास ना आओ, पास ना आओ. Don't come near, or don't come near me, पास ना आओ. Where is the bus station? Where is the train station? Where is the airport? Bus station कहाँ है? एयरपोर्ट कहाँ है? ट्रेन स्टेशन कहाँ है? ABC होटल कहाँ है? वो कहाँ है? Anything? बस स्टेशन कहाँ है? बस स्टेशन is बस स्टेशन कहाँ? Where है is. Where is the bus station? बस स्टेशन कहाँ है? So ladies and gentlemen, these were the 30 essential Hindi and Urdu words and phrases. I will continue my lessons, and there is a link below for lesson number 2. If you want to learn more, then you can learn more. Please like this video tutorial, share it with your friends and family, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. If you want to ask any question, or if you want to comment, then please use the comment section below. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.